Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This home is ideal for multiple families looking to share a lake home. There are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with a master suite and bath on the main level. Enjoy the open floor plan with a vaulted ceiling, wood-burning fireplace, dining area and a spacious family room with views of the lake. The upstairs living area has a master suite and bath in the living room that overlooks the main level. The basement is a kid's dream come true with rustic barnwood walls, pool table, small kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The fisherman of the house will enjoy the tackle room and storage area for your lake floats. Step out onto a rock patio that is perfect for grilling and hanging out. The wrap-around deck offers stunning views of the lake. You are a few steps to a floating dock and seawall and minutes away from a year-round boat ramp, open water and Wedowee Marine South. Great value in today's real estate market.